In this video, you'll learn how to create a Stan store using your email. By the end of this guide, you will have successfully set up your store and accessed your dashboard. Begin by navigating to the Stan sign-up page. You should see a form that includes fields for your username, full name, email, phone number, and password. The page will also feature a next button at the bottom. Next, you will fill in the required information in the form. Start by entering your desired username for your store in the format of stan.store/your name. Choose a username that reflects your brand or personal identity. Continue by providing your full name in the designated field. This should be your real name, as it will be associated with your Stan account. After that, move on to the email section and enter the email address you wish to use for your Stan account. For the phone number, select the appropriate country code from the drop-down menu. If you were in the Philippines, you will choose the code +63 and then enter your phone number in the next field. This information is necessary for account verification and communication. Create a strong password field in password field. Ensure that it meets any indicated security requirements, which may include a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. After completing all fields, click the Next button to proceed. Once you click Next, you will complete the sign-up process. After this, you will automatically be directed to the Stan dashboard. The dashboard will display a menu on the left side that includes options such as Home, My Store, Income Analytics, Customers, Community, Auto DM, More, and Settings. This dashboard is where you will manage your store. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.